right, Jim, thank you very much. Like we said, a lot of breaking developments. New Orleans parades are still on, but there are a lot of caveats with that.
Yeah, the route is going to change because it's shorter, and the times are changing as well. For more on that, let's toss it over to Cassie Sherm with the latest. Cassie?
Yeah, guys, just at noon, we had those early times. At 7 a.m. was the start time for Zulu, but now that's been moved to 6:30 a.m., and that's just trying to get everything in on time because they're trying to get before those high winds come. So with Zulu starting at 6:30, they're going to start in the same spot, but they will have a different exit than what they normally have. They're going to be going past Gallier Hall and doing their toast, but then stop at Poydras, so it will be a shorter route. They then should be getting done by around 10:30 a.m., according to the chief. Now, Rex will also do earlier as well. They aren't going to make it to Gallier Hall, though. Now, we were told that there's agreement just so everyone could get rolling through that they were okay with this, and they were going to keep on moving, but then turn off on Jackson. Now, the chief says high winds will be coming in around noon, and we have to buckle down our infrastructure. So they're saying if you need to go to the potty, do it beforehand because they're not going to have the porta potties out. They say it's not going to be out here. They're going to be dangerous, especially with those high winds. They're also telling people if you have tents, do not bring them. Do not bring them. They will be taking them down before the parades, and you can get in trouble if you put one up. So they're asking you not to bring one out. They're also saying umbrellas can be very deadly out here, especially with the high winds, and portable chairs are the responsibility for you to put down to anchor because there could be a large gust. Also with the barricades and stuff like that, they're going to be putting those, laying them down possibly to make sure those don't go anywhere as well because we are expecting those high winds. But all of this is kind of up in the air. It just counts on what's going to happen tomorrow morning. Now, the police chief made the comment that if it goes to a watch instead of a warning, they will cancel the parades altogether. So we're going to be watching that very closely. Reporting here from St. Charles, I'm Cassie Sherm. Back to you.